there's a new update, and I haven't even left the stump, and I've already seen quite a lot of stuff. First of all, that board is updated for Monkey Mayhem, happening 1 p.m. EST on November 15th. Be there or be square, I guess. But even if you come look at the cosmetic stand, there's this. It says hat/face in view. I don't know what that means, but now we have different configs. We can put them in that. I just have this one because that's my normal one. But I looked outside a stump for something. There was something there, but I want to go check out the cosmetics. Also, on the camera, they added streaming modes. I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, let's just go check it out. Let me actually get into first person for this. Holy, this is sick. I don't even want to see that stuff. That's just cool on its own. Big telky. Okay, as you can see, I am broke because I brought chicken leg. Whoa. This is not what I was expecting. It's a blindfold. This. I'm honestly, oh, this is pretty cool. I'm not a big football fan, so I don't necessarily care I don't necessarily care for this stuff, but it's still cool. Okay, that's pretty cool. There's a bunch of food. Oh, okay. I don't want to. Okay, we'll check that out in a bit. Yeah, okay, this was the cosmetic that. Oh, and a new cape. Wait, that might actually fit me way better. Wait, let me see. I still like the white, but you should be able to grab something off you and throw it. That's pretty cool. This is popcorn. Put it on the fire. Starts expanding. And pop. Thank you. Yeah, look at that. Yes. Ooh, it makes a pop noise. Oh, I can eat it. This backpack, I also actually put this on. Oh, okay, so you... I don't know what that does. It says something, I can't... Okay. That's weird. It just makes a bunch of static noise. So I think you can... Yeah, you can take this off. I didn't look at the price of this cosmetic. Leave your guesses in the comments of what you think it's gonna be. Has to be over 6,000. Where is it? It's right here. Oh, it's only 5,000. Okay. Let me just... Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, nothing crazy new over here. I didn't see that in the shop. Oh wait, there was also a flashback. Forgot about that. Yeah, look at this flashback. But where was that? You guys don't think. Okay, no. Then where do you find that helmet? I mean, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I want to check out Forest because I saw something over there. Oh, it is. They messed up the lighting in this one. Oh, okay, I'll try that on after. I saw this. I'm guessing. Yeah. Okay, this is pretty cool. Yeah, okay. So I guess there's gonna be a whole food fight event with the Monkey Mayhem thing. But I do want to try this on. How does it work? Let me look at this thing. Grab, hold, and you should be able to fling it. Okay. Whoa. Does it do knockback? Nope, just really, really loud. Yeah, no. Okay. It's still pretty cool. Don't forget, November 15th, 1 p.m. EST, Monkey Mayhem. Be there or be square.